So you're making really good progress with setting up your COHO account. You've added your properties, your rooms, you've added key property information, you've made your rooms and properties look beautiful, you've added all the information, photos, stuff like that. What we now need to do is we need to lay the foundations for welcoming tenants in, but also including all of the property ownership information, which will really help fuel and dictate how things like your financial settlements will be run at the end of each month. So the first thing we'll do is the welcome pack. And what you'll need to do is either create this across your entire organization, if you'd like, or in a property or on a room level. What we'll do today is we will create one on a room level. So we'll grab the property we've been working from, open up the property area, and you'll see here the welcome pack option within quick access. We'll click onto welcome pack. We will open it up and add an item. So it's split between two ways of adding information, either quick info, where you can add mobile phone numbers, key access codes to the property, and then the information cards, which are more detail rich. So you can include videos, written description, and images as well. So for this, we'll just give a key number, and then we'll hit save. If we want to add an information card, one that we include as standard is the how to rent guide, as this is then included as part of the compliance documentation you send over. But we simply need to add a card here. We can give it a title, we can give it a written description, we can add images, we can add further supporting files, and again, a video URL as well. So you can make them incredibly rich with detail. I would really encourage you to do these. It's a great way of showing your personality, but also including information that perhaps tenants would be chasing you for, and you're just preempting it. So do add as much or as little as you want to in these welcome packs, but I really would recommend that you fill these in ahead of inviting your tenants in. So that is welcome packs. Once you've done that, you then need to turn your attention to the property ownership information. Again, from the quick access panel here, you'll see property ownership in the bottom left. We'll click onto that and we will show the panel content. Because this is a new property, there won't be any ownership information attached to it. So it's really important that we start to add this in. You have three options here. You indicate whether it's an owned, a managed, or a master lease property. This will help inform things like management fees, what your lease back to the master lease is, stuff like that, that really will help when you're doing your end of month settlements, just to understand what's client money, what's your money, stuff like that. So in this instance, we're going to say it's owned. It's not part of a child company. We'll add any ownership notes and any ownership files, and we'll simply click add. And what that now helps us do is, as I said, just dictate all of that financial stuff going forward. So that property is marked as owned. It's worth noting that you must do this for each of your properties. And this really helps if you have a mixed portfolio, just to understand what that mix looks like and what that split is. And again, to avoid any confusion with your financial settlements. So that is property ownership and the welcome pack. I really hope it helps. As always, any questions, if you want to delve further into these, do just let the team know. Thank you.